In part 4 of the Wealth Building Masterclass, when I was telling you about my own path to real estate investing, I mentioned the freedom number. And I want to explain that in a little more detail now, since that was the foundation of our own financial freedom. Now, before we go there, if you haven't watched the other videos in this series, please start at the beginning. Go back and do so. You will be lost if you don't. Check the description below to watch parts 1 through 4. Okay, they're in the description below. This is part 5. Now, your freedom number is the amount that you need in order to be financially free. And you can find it by using a simple equation that we made. And all you have to do is plug in a few of your financial numbers. Now, your freedom number will help you figure out how many rental properties you need in order to replace your income and retire comfortably. Pretty simple, right? Now, before you calculate your freedom number, you need to do a little homework. What are your monthly expenses? Take a close look at every expense that you have each month. Write them down. Write down the big payments like your mortgage, even the small ones like music streaming subscriptions or Netflix. The total then represents your current survival number, or the minimum amount you need to cover all of your monthly expenses. Now, if you pad that number by about 10% to allow for unexpected costs or travel or entertainment, stuff like that, you'll have your freedom number. So let's see this calculation in action with some real numbers. I'm pulling this directly from my free downloadable freedom cheat sheet, which you can find if you go to morrisinvest.com/freedom. We'll have a link in the description for you to go grab and download your very own copy. It's a few pages. It's totally free. Go and grab it. Okay, so let's say your survival number is $5,000 each month. When you pad that by 10%, that's $500, right? So you get $5,500. That's $5,500 as your freedom number. So whatever number you come up with, write it down. Keep it in view to remind yourself of what you're working towards. Put it on your computer screen on a Post-it note. Stick it to your bathroom mirror. Put it on your refrigerator. One of our clients actually made a huge collage with balloons, helium mylar balloons, to keep herself motivated, and they floated above her desk every day just to keep it on top of mind and sight. Now, when you're working towards using rental income to reach your freedom number, I want to remind you about our discussion earlier on leverage. Make sure you're looking at the long-term results of your financing deals. That way you can decrease the overall number of properties you need to purchase in order to reach your number. Once your loans are paid off, using the rent you're getting, you'll be able to pocket that money as well and add it to your freedom number. Man, I love the power of leveraging your money. Don't forget to download the cheat sheet. And if you're comfortable, I'd love to hear what your freedom number is in the comments below. Just drop it in. Is it $2,000 a month? Is it $7,000? Just put it in the comments below. Now, in the final part of this masterclass, we're going to talk about building out your personalized path to financial freedom. I'll see you in the next video.